Hello everyone, today we're going to find out how we can just draw this amazing building by Oscar Niemeyer. It's a Catedral Metropolitan. What I'm going to do, we just Google the image and find it, which I already did. I'm going to save this image. So you can simply right click, save image on your desktop. Then I go back to Sketchup. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to change the view to the front view. So this is the front view. Then I'm going to import the image. So File, Import the image. We will bring it in as an image. So we have three different options, which I'm going to tell you later exactly what are these two options. But we are going to pick the first one because we want to use it as a reference. So import, and then I'm going to put the left corner of that image, the intersection of our coordination here. The scale doesn't matter right now, so just put it over there. Okay, so we just imported the image. I go to front view. I want it to be completely flat, so I go to camera and then change that to parallel projection. So this will give you complete flat view of the screen. Okay. Next step is drawing the base for this one. So what I'm going to do, let's just move the image first. I'm going to move it from here exactly to this direction. So the intersection of that coordination go in the center of that image, something like this. When we look at it, we have this image in the center. I can bring it down a little bit so I have the ground level on a red line. Okay. Next step, I just pick the line tool. I start from the base point here, draw a line, another one here, another one here, here, then one from here. Okay, what I did, I just made a base for that building, but I would change the view option to the X-ray mode so I can see what's exactly happening in the background. I can just delete simply these lines here. Oh. Okay. Next, I'm going to pick the arc, 3 points arc. I just select, start from here. So I'm going to focus on the base model here. So the 3-point arc, that was the first point. This can be the second point, and then I just simply draw like this. Then with a line, start from here. I just continue to here. Okay. Then I'm going to draw the arc again, 3-point arc. I zoom a little bit. I just pick something like this. We are going to draw something as close as possible to what we see. So it can be like this. Then with a line, I just continue and bring it here. And I can just close it. Okay, good to go. So we just build one plane here and one plane here. If I want, I can just continue these two like this, make a line here, and then draw another line here. Then I'm going to erase these extra lines, this one, this one. Okay, select the image. From the right side under entity info, you can just simply click here and hide it, or just right click and hide it. I just hide the image. I'm going to change the camera mode to perspective, and I'm going to click here on the 3D view so we can see what we did already. The shadow is on. I will turn it off. This is what we made. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to double click here, 1, 2. It will select the boundary of this one. Right click, make component, and then create. Just be sure that this replace selection with component thick is on here. I just create that. Okay. Now I will, from the left side, I will select the circle. This will be the center of that circle. And here, this is the end point. I just draw a circle here. If I select and click on that circle, under the entity info, it will show you this specification of that circle. Okay. Let's just select the circle. On the left side, I'm going to select follow me, click, and simply click on the surface here. Okay. What we just did, we made a revolve model. Now I'm going to select the second panel. I can switch to top view. This is the model. It's highlighted in blue. Okay, so we want to rotate this element here. I go to camera parallel. So everything will be completely flat. I pick the rotation. This is the origin point. Select the second point, and when I want to rotate it, I just simply click on the control. A small plus icon will appear under the rotation icon. So I just simply put it here, and then I type 24x enter. So let's just go back to the 3D view. This is what we already made. I changed the camera to perspective. So this is what we made right now. Then I'm going to double click on these added panels, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to select push and pull, and then just simply give thickness to them. Okay, let's just turn off the X-ray mode. Okay, so this is what we made right now. The interesting part with this component element is that sometimes by making small changes you will get interesting results. So what I'm going to do, let's just try this. I'm going to double click this. I'm going to only select the top part of that element. Then with the move, I'm going to move it in different direction to see how it looks. So You see, I can build something like this, or I can just simply select this surface and with scale just rescale part of it, and you can see that different results will come up. So I'm going to leave it right now, just okay. So this is what we made right now. If I turn on the shadows, you will see that how it looks. Okay, let's just bring a little bit scale here and see where we are standing. I go to front view. I'm using the ruler here just to find out what is this from here to here. On the bottom right side, I can see that it's 12 meters. So let's see if we want it to be 16 meters instead of 12 meters. Whenever you're using the ruler, if you just simply click on control button, you see right now there is a small plus icon next to that meter tape. I just simply click on control. It's gone now. So I say, okay, from here to here, I click, and then I type the number. I say 16, enter. It will say that, do you want to resize the model? So what it's going to do, it's going to rescale the whole object based on the number that I just entered. Yes. Okay. So this is how we can just now add material and everything to it, but just to get a nicer view, I recommend that everyone go and download TWINMOTION, which is a free software right now. And who knows, maybe later on you have to pay for it. But that's a great software to, it's a rendering engine which can help you get high quality images. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply export the image to TWINMOTION. So let's see here. This is the plugin that when you install TWINMOTION, you can simply just install that one too. So click and then wait for the TWINMOTION to run. It's an amazing software, this one, the TWINMOTION. I really like it. It will help you just quickly get high quality rendering. So it's a new project. Okay. If I save the file right now, save on my desktop maybe. Okay, just I'm going to say number 1, save. Then it will be updated whenever I make any changes. So you see here, that's the element that we made. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply make an image, create image, and then let's go back to Sketchup, add material to this, maybe I add a glass here, again, click, this has been updated. I can assign material from here. I'm going to add maybe later on the tutorial for this TWINMOTION too. Just for now, it's good to see the features and how it can help you quickly build high quality rendering. So I'm going to maybe rescale this a little bit. I can play with the opacity of that glass. Okay. Let's just pull the base for it. I'm going to make this and stretch, just push and pull again. Okay. And I can simply go to the image, change the dates, location. So I will play with it to get the best version of that image. Maybe this one. I can change the background. Just go for something this right now. I'm going to add an material, a concrete material. These elements here, change the scale a little bit. Let's just play and have fun with this. Using software, I'm going to add maybe a bunch of trees here, and I'm going to add bushes. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Let's add something like this over here. I like it. Okay. And then another tree. Let's try this one and see how it looks. Okay. So you can see that how we could just simply build something close to that image, and this is final result. Okay, I hope you like this one. Uh, please, if you think it was helpful, please subscribe and follow my channel. I try to add more videos and tips on how to use different softwares, especially for designers and architects, and who is interested in this kind of creative design elements. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in my next video.